Lord, in your wrath rebuke me not. In anger do not chasten me. Have mercy, Lord, for I am faint. Lord, heal me in my agony. My soul with anguish is distressed. O Lord, how long will you delay? Turn to me, Lord, and free my soul. In steadfast love, save me, I pray. No one in death remembers you, who from the grave can give you praise. My groaning weakens me at night. My bed is drenched with tears always. My eyes grow weak with tears of grief. They fail because of all my foes. Away from me, you evil crowd. The Lord has listened to my woes. The Lord has heard my prayer for help. The Lord has listened to my plea. My enemies, disgraced and shamed, will turn back from me suddenly.